Hey everyone, Sam the Miracle Man here. The question of the day is, can we really raise our vibration? Let's dive into this question, raising our vibration. Can we do that? Well, the way I like to think of ourselves, the real us, the one that sees through the eyes, is this perfect spirit. So when you realize when you come into this body at conception, actually it's not a conception, it's a little bit further down the road. But once you come into this body, realize that you are this perfect spirit. And when you're the perfect spirit, think of yourself as a bell. You know you're this bell. And this bell has a pure and perfect tone. And the vibration is the highest at that point. You are right from source, so your vibration is the highest. And we all have a slight soul frequency, if you will, but it's all irrelevant at this point. But we do have our soul signature, but we are this perfect and pure bell. Then what happens is this head trash comes along and starts putting tape in her bell. Oh, I'm a male, I'm a female, I procrastinate, I have bipolar, I have multiple sclerosis. All this is putting tape on our bell. And what that does is dampen, lower the vibration. So we're restoring our vibration as we pull off the tape, the multiple sclerosis, the procrastination, I'm male, I'm female, all these labels, we're pulling those off and we're restoring our vibration. Just realize you're restoring your vibration and feel how that keeps you in your strength, in your power, to see that my vibration is always pure and perfect. It's just the mind's putting tape on my bell, dampening my vibration. And we can temporarily raise it up, if you will, by listening. Something makes us feel good right now, but it's just a temporary situation because it hasn't removed the tape. It's just a momentary of feeling good. This is why motivational talks work for a little bit, but then they wear off because it's not from within you. But once you start peeling off that tape in your own life, then you're naturally happy, joyful, content within your life, that it's going to be okay. It's just this mind creating all these stories, all these beliefs, all these limitations, that you are unlimited, that you are infinite. It's simply the mind creating all these stories that are not your truth. But to realize that you are this pure, this perfect spirit, the Holy Spirit, the one made in the image and likeness of God, if that resonates with you, or consciousness, source, whatever that is that resonates with you, that language has a hard time communicating the great truth because the great truth is beyond words. This wisdom arises out of the stillness. That's all I wanted to share today. Just this short video. Can we really raise our vibration? Not truly. We are actually restoring our vibration. And any kind of external motivation is a temporary bump. But eventually that wears off and you go back down into your misery. That's all. But I am Sam the Miracle Man. You can visit my website and I have a head trash assessment to see where this is blocking you, blocking your health, your prosperity, your energy, your vitality. That there is actually a few levels to this head trash, all these layers that we need to peel away so you can really tap into your infinite self, your infinite potentials, your true self. Personally, I don't like higher self because it gets you looking outside yourself. You want to really dive into the depths of you. All right, take care of yourself. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.